Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move PayPal money or to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we are just going to follow this WikiHow article. And as you can see, there is no direct way to transfer a PayPal balance to Cash App. That means there is no direct feature by clicking on transfer to PayPal or something similar to that. All you can be able to do is either you can send the money from Cash App to your linked bank account, and then you can start transferring between uh, uh, PayPal to bank account to PayPal, or vice versa, Cash App to your bank account, and bank account to your PayPal or Cash App. And otherwise, you can simply get the Cash App card, and you can simply go and search for the Cash App Cash uh, card, and you can apply for it. And if you go the debit card of Cash App, you will be able to start linking it. So if you go this card, you can simply go to PayPal and add card or bank. And by adding this card, you will be able to start transferring money from PayPal to this card. And simply this card will be already linked to Cash App. And let's just click that. And then a pop-up will be showing, and from there you will be needing to add the information of your card, such as the card number. And since it is a Visa, so it's a valid card that you can start adding to your PayPal account. And basically you will need just to click on link card, and a pop-up will be showing, and from there you can add all the information about the card, and now you can start transferring the funds from Cash App to PayPal or to your card, and basically you can get it to PayPal or vice versa. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.